We have an equation x minus 3 equals 8. On the left hand side of the equation, you have x minus 3. And on the right hand side, you have 8. And of course, we do know this is an equation because of the equal sign. And to solve it, we do mean to find the unknown value for x. Now, one of the easiest ways to solve this kind of equation is to use the balancing method. The balancing method simply means whatever you do on the left side of the equal sign, you do the same on the right. And to find the value of x, I've got to eliminate minus 3. And the best way to do that is to add 3 on the left and do the same on the right. So, let's get started. First, I write an x, and I write an minus 3. And the inverse of minus 3 is plus 3. And well, remember, whatever you do on the left side, you do on the right hand side. So you write 8 and add 3. Remember, I did add 3 on the left side here, so I'm adding plus 3 also on the right hand side. So I write an x down, and of course we have minus 3 plus 3. That's 0. So I can say add 0, but I really don't have to, really. So I put the equal sign next, and 8 add 3 definitely is 11. So then the unknown value x is 11. Now, sometimes you might want to check if your answer is correct. So to do that, you substitute back the value of x in the original equation and test to see if this is going to give you 8. If x is 11, 11 take away 3 definitely is 8. So we know our answer is correct. In this next question, we have x plus 5 equals 3. And so we got to solve for the unknown x. And we have plus 5 here, so I have to get rid of plus 5. And the best way to do that is to subtract 5. Remember, whatever you do on the left side, you do on the right hand side of the equation. So first, I write the equation. X add 5 is equals to 3. So now I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So I have x plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 3 minus 5. Of course, you write an x, and then 5 minus 5 definitely is 0, so I don't have to write it. So I write the equal sign. And of course, a 3 minus 5 definitely will give you minus 2.